I'm in love.
Fashion.
Plaid, the muted colors, the faux fur. Again, this is probably, inspired from teenagers going into vintage clothing stores, picking them up for $10 or $15, mixing and matching them in great creative ways. Some fresh young designers seeing that and saying, wow, that's the next fall winter coat. And then of course the major designers see it and they do, in my opinion, sort of a mock-off of it and sell it for, 5 times the price.
Everybody's seated. They're like, we all know who you are. Teenage, rebelliousness, like a rebel phase. You don't want to look like your parents want you to look. I can't see my mom, picking this out for me.